Hi guys, welcome back. It's Pamela here. So on today's video I'll be doing a tutorial on how to contour your nose. Okay, so the essence of your contouring is for your nose to be snatched. Yes, so take a darker foundation. It depends on the clients you're working on. Okay, you know the type of foundation that you will apply that will not see harsh lines on, that you can be able to blend out. That's what you will use. Okay, and for the application, start from the bridge of the nose, guys. As you can see what I'm doing, start from the bridge of the nose and then keep building up. Go with little products, don't pack products, go with little products, so you can be building up. So in order not to put much products then to be hard for you to blend out, no, you don't want that. Okay, so go with little products and you keep bringing in and building and building and building. Then when you are done, when you have brought your contour towards the tip of your nose, okay, you can now dust off excess products from your brush and go in with the same brush to blend out what you've placed on the face. Okay, so this is me doing that. You have to blend out from the beginning of your brows. You blend it towards the tip of the nose. So next thing to do is take a little concealer to blend the nose contour into your concealer to avoid harsh lines. Okay, you see what I'm doing? This is what you do on both sides, and after that you see a clean job. You do a good job. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.